If you want to add a Google map to your Framer website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed Google Maps into Framer step by step so you can place a live map on your site in just a few minutes. This is really useful if you have a business location, office address, store, or any place you want visitors to find quickly. And best of all, it's simple to do once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Framer tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Google Maps and search for the location you want to display on your website. You can type in your business name, your address, or any place you want to embed. Once the map loads and you've found the correct location, look for the share button, click share, and a small window will open with a few options. Inside that window, switch over to the Embed a Map tab. This is the option you need because it gives you the HTML code that Framer can use to display the map directly on your page. After that, click Copy HTML. That copies the embed code to your clipboard, and you'll use that code inside Framer in just a moment. Now open your Framer project. Go to the page where you want the map to appear. This could be your contact page, your home page, or any section where visitors need location details. Once you're on the right page, press Insert, which is the plus icon in Framer. A menu will appear, and in the search bar, type Embed. When the embed element shows up, drag and drop it onto your page. This creates a space where you can paste custom HTML content. With the embed block selected, look at the right side panel and find the HTML field. Click inside that field and paste the Google Maps embed code you copied from Google Maps. As soon as you paste the code, Framer will load the map inside the embed block. From there, you can resize the map to fit your layout. You might want it wider for a contact section or taller if you want the map to stand out more on the page. Just adjust the size until it looks clean and balanced with the rest of your design. After that, click Publish in Framer. This pushes the changes live to your website. Once your site is published, open the live page and refresh it. You should now see your Google map displayed on the website exactly where you placed it. And that's it. You've successfully added an embedded Google map to your Framer website. It's a super simple way to make your site more helpful and professional, especially if you want people to easily find your location. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Framer tips, web design tutorials, and no-code guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.